Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can download leads from your Facebook ads campaign. So let's say you have run a lead generation campaign and you want to download which are my leads, who are my leads. So what you need to do is you just need to go to Facebook ads manager account, that is facebook.com/ads manager, and then click on the campaign. Here you can see one result, means one Facebook lead I'm getting, but here I'm unable to download that lead. You can see here, like the download menu is not here. Okay, so how to download these things? How to download this lead details? Okay, so what I need to do is I just need to click here, and then I need to go to ads. Now here you can see download button is here, and I can just easily download this lead details. So just click on the campaign and then go to ads, add our ad set, add for one ad set. Okay, now I am able to download this lead detail. So here it is asking select a date range. So I will select this month only, or you can choose the date whichever is required. So I will just go here and click on download. Then it is asking me how I want to download this file, either as a CSV file or XLS. I'll click on CSV, and the details just got downloaded here. Okay, so by this way you can download lead details. And if you are like seeing there is no download option here, then you just need to click on the campaign and go to ads. Then you will get the option of downloading the lead details. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, please hit a like and share with your friends. Thank you.